Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a day in the life of my very busy Friday. I have 3 classes today, going to a baseball game and going to a Parker McCollum tonight in Neville. Should be fun. I'm back. I grabbed another Red Bull. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
She woke up at 5:45 this morning
To go to pray, and then I fell back asleep, and then I just woke up, and I didn't know what day it was.
Leaving English. I'm at Haley right now. Have a little bit of time. I have to get an assignment done, and then Gianna's gonna come pick us up, and we're going to a car wash. We're doing a taste test.
So,
Moment.
all right,
Okay.
here goes blackberry lavender.
Blackberry lavender. Crisp. I don't like that face.
Mango glow.
Glow.
That's not that bad compared to that one.
Oh.
This one like a 7.
5. I'm excited for this.
I have high hopes.
Oh. Oh.
Tasting cinnamon.
Me too. Apple cider
Organic
vinegar.
cinnamon.
Leche mojito.
The aftertaste.
Ooh. I need water, bro.
No, you need some pineapple lemongrass. Look at this thing. I love pineapple. I don't think if I like eating grass.
Like pineapple.
I give it a 7.
Oh,
Very
this is the best one yet.
plum spritz.
Plum spritz. I'm really scared. Spiced mango.
Good.
That's not bad.
What's your winner?
Pineapple lemongrass.
Okay, me too.
Winner!
Woo!
Taste test with Sage and Cassandra. We made it to the Frat car wash. We're at Pike. I'm a little scared. Oh! Oh, what are they doing? They're not.
He was going.
I'm disappointed. Delta Chi did better.
I'm traumatized. The best
They were
part was
better.
when he licked my window. Crazy.
When the guy gave me a heart, it
This
looks
does not help.
it looks dirtier.
Ew, look at all of these.
Yeah. Gianna, your car was cleaner than when we
It
went
was
there.
cleaner before I went. I like.
Can you drop me off like right here at my
At your
home?
house?
I'm very excited. This is the first baseball game of the season. I'm a big baseball girl. Okay, I'm on my way to the baseball game. Very excited. It's very pretty outside.
They keep walking past me. So
Okay, I'm leaving the baseball game. They're losing right now. Now time to run home. Quick change for this concert. Hold on, y'all are making it in the vlog.
Second floor bathroom at Death. He dated Johnny, and her dad is the head coach of the football team.
We're doing an unsolved case before I have to go to the concert.
Okay, Paul Pekinis is the casting director.
I made it back home. I'm gonna take my makeup off and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm really tired, so yeah. Peace out. Love ya. Say it back.
Hip, hip.